everyone! Today we're diving into Turtlimint Pro and seeing what makes it stand out in the world of insurance and financial apps. Turtlimint Pro is designed to simplify insurance management and claims, aiming to make the entire process more accessible, faster, and less stressful for users. From the moment you open the app, it's clear that Turtlimint Pro focuses on simplicity. The interface is clean and intuitive, with clear menus and a straightforward layout that guides you through buying policies, managing existing ones, and even filing claims without having to call multiple agents or dig through paper documents. One of the biggest strengths is how much the app automates. You can compare policies side by side, get personalized recommendations based on your profile, and even renew or update your policies with just a few taps. For someone who isn't familiar with insurance jargon, this is a game changer because it explains everything in plain language and highlights the key details you actually need to know. The claim filing process is also smoother than many competitors. Instead of waiting on long phone calls, you can submit documents directly through the app, track your claim status in real time, and receive notifications when there's an update. This keeps you in control and reduces the stress often associated with insurance claims. Of course, no app is perfect. Some users may find that certain policies or providers aren't available in every region, and occasionally the app can lag if there's high traffic. But overall, Turtlimint Pro does a great job of bringing transparency and convenience to an area that's usually complicated and frustrating. Overall, if you're looking for an easy way to manage your insurance policies, compare options, and handle claims without the usual headaches, Turtlimint Pro is definitely worth checking out. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more honest app reviews, and comment below with the next tool or app you want me to cover.